So welcome to another YouTube video, and we are going to cover match betting and more importantly what match betting software I currently use. Now the software I currently use is OddsMonkey. Now if you were thinking of match betting without a match betting software, in my opinion you're just going to really struggle, because the main thing that you need to focus on with match betting is basically a numbers game. That means you want to complete as many offers as possible per day. And if you're taking 10 to 20 minutes to find one offer yourself, instead of just using a match betting software, which give you hundreds and hundreds of offers to go through, basically in the long run, just not going to be as profitable as you could be just using a simple software. And OddsMonkey literally give you your first month free by essentially giving you a free offer to complete. Then you can use that money to join their paid subscription. Now, if you were thinking of joining OddsMonkey, there is a link in my description that you can take advantage of. If you were looking to make even more money, make sure to join my Discord server, which is also linked down below, which I'll be posting weekly offers that you can use to your advantage for absolutely free, and you can make yourself an extra £400 to £500. There's currently 2 offers where you can make yourself over £350 in profit just by switching banks. Now, I will be doing a YouTube video on that to explain that in more detail. But anyways, let's get into OddsMonkey, basically a walkthrough guide on what OddsMonkey entails and why it's so beneficial to use a match betting software. Even if you aren't going to use OddsMonkey, there are other ones out there, but this is the one that I use. And let me tell you, it's just so easy to use. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, okay, so hopefully you can see my screen now. So if you have signed up to OddsMonkey, you should have a homepage. So we're going to just start at the home screen, and the first thing I'm going to go through is view my journey. Now I did cover this a bit in episode 1, but I'm just going to go through it in a bit more detail. So we've got view my journey here. And I really like the way OddsMonkey have laid this out, especially if you're just joining the platform. It gives you a really good idea of how much you can make per month, especially if you're starting, how much you can make from your sign-up offers, such as the easy welcome offers. So it basically gives you an indication of where you should start and what kind of ladder you should go down. So first up, your beginner course, you actually get this free. So if you didn't want to join using your own money, they basically give you a beginner's course on how to make yourself £39 on average, and that'll basically cover the sports match betting side of their platform. And what they do with each sign-up offer or each part of the course, they'll actually do videos on how to get started. Now, match betting, I didn't realize how big match betting is, but when I joined OddsMonkey's Facebook group with over 18,000 people, I kind of realized how big match betting is in the UK and how much profit you can make from it. So all you have to do on each of these courses is click get started, and they'll basically give you a step-by-step instruction on how to get started. So once you've completed a step, it will just change to green once you click as mark as completed. Now there's also easy welcome offers that you can take advantage of. Again, we just watched the introduction to that. You can watch that in your spare time. But this is where I'd recommend you start if you are getting started with match betting and you have signed up to OddsMonkey. And then again, it will basically give you step-by-step instruction with clear screenshot images of how to get started. We'll go through the sports offers in a second as well, but again, really nice and clear. And then you can mark this as completed again. So easy welcome offers is essentially when you start out match betting. Usually betting websites will give you a sign-up offer. Now, if you're completely new to match betting, you might think that's a negative compared to someone that's done it in the past, but it's actually a benefit because you get all the sign-up offers. Compared to me, I was only entitled to 70% of the sign-up offers because I actually did match bet in 2018. So the easy welcome offers are essentially a welcome offer. It's a one-time offer on your account. But as you can see here, bet clubs, that's a per month offer. So you can start to really work out how much you can earn on a monthly basis after the welcome offers. So again, watch introduction. So there'll be videos on that. And again, I have completed these. Again, the welcome offers are a one-time offer unless you use friends and family's accounts, then you can take advantage of them again. So imagine if you can get 10 or 11 accounts, which are your friends and family, and you can do all the welcome offers. That's an easy £8,000 to £10,000 this year. Now, again, you need completely unique details for that, but it's just a possibility. But on just one account, you can easily make yourself £400 to £500 a month after your welcome offers, which you'll be able to see if you stay tuned to my episodes on my match betting journey. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, because I'm actually recording these episodes is quite a bit of fun, and I'm recording the next one tomorrow. Again, guaranteed profit. So I actually haven't done anything apart from the welcome offers yet, because I've been quite busy with reselling. If you don't know, I'm a full-time sneaker reseller. But we have done these as well. We have done all the welcome offers, so we'll quickly mark these as completed. But anyways, let's get back to the dashboard to go through the next step. We'll go through the next part of OddsMonkey. The main way that you will make your startup money is through sign-up offers. So if we just head back to the dashboard, you'll see the sign-up offers here. You can also head to the offers section just on the top right here, and you can click sports sign-ups, but it is on your dashboard. So we'll head over to here. So currently I have 4 sign-up offers left, and then you can just quickly toggle through to reloads and weekly bet clubs. I don't know why my internet's been so slow. But anyways, we're on signups, and what you can do, that's how many I've got available, and you can quickly see if I just change that to completed. So essentially, if you're just starting out, you'll have around 50 available, but I've completed 40, and as you can see, all of these have been completed. And what will happen is you'll just have all of these in your available, and you can just see the average profit. So for example, here, OddsMonkey have just worked out for you. You can make £43 from Sporting Bet, £40 from Copy Bet, £30 from Bet Victor, and so on. So as you can see, and honestly, the average profit they give out is you usually come out with more than your average profit with the sports bet side of things, which is absolutely brilliant. And then some of the ones you might have to mark as not interested. I wasn't allowed to take advantage of those because I had already used the sign-up offers in the past. So yeah, so that's the sign-up offers side of things. Once the sign-up offers have been completed, which in my case I'm going to have to start getting along with the reloads and weekly bet clubs. So I'm going to have to get to grips with these, but essentially I imagine it's pretty much the same as the sign-ups, just probably less profitable. You'll be following my journey on that. So you could either find those here in the offers section, or you could just go here for the reloads and weekly bet club. Now, if you are getting completely overwhelmed, luckily there are loads and loads of guides that you can take advantage on. So if you just head to the top right here and click all guides, there's literally so many guides, whether it's 2-minute guides or 10-minute guides, that you can just take advantage of, and then you can literally mark them as complete once you've read them and understand them. So that's brilliant, and you can always refer back to them if you do get stuck again. Now, we do have probably one of the most important tools. You can use your own spreadsheet, but I actually do use OddsMonkey's. All you can do is go to either your profit tracker right here, or you could head to the money icon here. I have covered it because I don't want to give away episode 2, but we will just click my profit, and basically you can just track your profits here, but you don't have to essentially add it manually. It's all done for you, which I'll show you now. So let's pretend that we're completely new and we're doing one of the sports sign-up offers. I'll do Sporting Bet, for example, and we're taking complete advantage of this offer. I am going through it a bit quick, but don't worry if you don't understand what I'm on about. Obviously, there's guides on OddsMonkey anyway. But instead of you having to manually type out everything, look how easy it is to use OddsMonkey. So all you got to do is qualify for the bet. So to qualify for the free offer, we just click Odds Matcher qualifying free bet or qualifying bet. We wait for that to load because of my crappy internet. Now what this Odds Matcher will do is find the best rating for you, so you don't have to do anything but place the offer. Now when I did this 7 years ago, you usually had to do a lot of the work, whereas now everything is done for you. So you don't even have to find the matches. So for example, the top search result is on the 3rd of March. Now you can change this to, let's say, in 24 hours time to make this a bit quicker. Now I think it is because I'm recording on my laptop why it is moving a bit slower. So hopefully this loads soon. Yes, so we've got Inter v Atalanta. all you got to do is click open here. And the beauty of it as well is OddsMonkey are partnershiped with Smarkets. So meaning that I've already connected my Smarkets account. So I don't actually have to place a bet on Smarkets. I can do it right through the app here. Through the website. So all I have to do is manually place the bet on Sporting Bet. But I don't have to do anything on Smarkets. I can just literally lay the bet right here, right now. And all you do is essentially click log bet here. And as you can see, it says your bet has been saved to your profit tracker. So when qualifying for a bet, you usually will lose a bit of money here. Now, if you didn't know already, before taking advantage of any free bet, you usually have to, let's say, place a £10 bet to get a £20 free bet. So usually you will be in minus before taking advantage of the free bet offer, because you have to complete the offer before you get the free bet. So that's completely normal. And that'll essentially automatically qualify you for your free bet, and you can take advantage of that. So currently we're minus 32p on Sporting Bet just by taking advantage of that offer. And then obviously if we went through with it at the end of the offer, we'll be about up 30 to 40 pound if we took advantage of that sign up offer. But anyways, I am going to delete that from my spreadsheet because that was just an example. You can essentially see how it works, and then obviously you can see how much you've made for this month and how much you made last month, and then your total profit. But again, I have blanked that out on screen because I don't want to spoil episode 2. And then last of all, if you've got the full subscription, you've got casino sign-up offers, and essentially it's literally the same layout as the sports bets. And then we've also got casino reload offers that can be seriously profitable as well. Okay guys, so that is literally the walkthrough. But if I'm honest, I'm not sure how well I explained that. It might be completely confusing to you. But what I would recommend is they're giving you a free sign-up offer to use there to take advantage of 1 month for free and get full access to their sports side of things. Give it a try, and I guarantee you, if you put it in a couple hours, here or there, you'll make yourself at least £300 to £400 just from sign-up offers and the easy offers. Hope the walkthrough was kind of interesting and kind of insightful into how easy it is to use and how much time you can save using a software such as OddsMonkey compared to finding the offers yourself. So that's it from me. Episode 2 is out shortly. Like I said, join my free Discord group in the bio, and then if you wanted to join OddsMonkey, it is linked in my description as well. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and like this video if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.